Hello boys and girls, welcome to my classroom. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your own shape printers. Yes, using paper toilet roll. It's very simple, this activity. And also we need paint in yellow, red, purple, and blue. I'm using this color, but you can use the color you want. Okay? Good. The first, we need to shape this. Obviously, I have the circle. Let's shape them and make a triangle. Okay, that is very simple, very easy. Here, I have the triangle. Let's make the square. A square. Shape them. Okay. Oh, the square is square. And finally, the rectangle, okay? I'm gonna make here the rectangle. Okay. Here we have the rectangle. Good. Then we have 4 different shapes. Rectangle, circle, triangle, and a square. Then we play using the shape, using also paint. It's very simple. Circle, oh, look, circles. That's fantastic. This is your own shape printer. Let's practice with the square. I'm gonna use red. Okay. Alright, here we go. Yes. Another shape is gonna be the rectangle. And blue. I use blue. Rectangle. Here we go. Okay. And finally, the triangle is purple. I love that color. This is my favorite color, purple. Nice. Okay, kids. Look at this. It's very simple and easy. Practice this activity at home. See you.